Do you know that apple cider vinegar helps neutralize stomach acid whilst the acetic acid fights harmful bacteria? Apple cider vinegar has also been shown to have antiviral, anti-yeast, and antifungal benefits, which are all helpful in supporting the microbiome and overall immune balance. Today, we will discuss apple cider vinegar, a popular home remedy that has recently gained significant attention. We will discuss the right way to use it, tips for the best results and benefits, and its uses and side effects. Apple cider vinegar ferments crushed apples with yeast and bacteria, turning them into acetic acid. This acidic liquid has various health benefits and can be used for multiple purposes. Before we delve into the benefits of apple cider vinegar, it is crucial to understand how to use it correctly. Firstly, it is essential to dilute the vinegar before consuming it. This can be done by mixing 1 or 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with water or other liquids like juice or tea. Secondly, limiting your intake of apple cider vinegar to 1 or 2 tablespoons per day is essential to avoid side effects. Apple cider vinegar has antimicrobial properties that help fight infections. Mixing a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with warm water and honey can soothe a sore throat and alleviate cold symptoms. It can help balance your skin's pH levels, reducing the risk of breakouts and acne. You can use it as a facial toner by diluting it with water and applying it to your skin with a cotton pad. Apple cider vinegar also contains acetic acid, which can help increase the production of white blood cells, the cells responsible for fighting off infections. Adding apple cider vinegar to your diet can help boost your immune system and reduce the risk of getting sick. Apple cider vinegar can help remove product buildup from your hair, making it look shinier and healthier. Mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with water and use it as a final rinse after shampooing your hair. Apple cider vinegar has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the pain and redness associated with sunburn. Mix a cup of apple cider vinegar with a gallon of water and use it as a compress on the affected area. Apple cider vinegar can help improve digestion by increasing the production of digestive enzymes. Adding a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water and drinking it before meals can help improve digestion and reduce bloating. The high acidity of apple cider vinegar can cause erosion of tooth enamel, leading to sensitivity and decay. To prevent this, it is important to dilute apple cider vinegar before consuming it and to rinse your mouth with water after drinking it. Drinking undiluted apple cider vinegar can irritate the throat and esophagus, leading to a burning sensation and difficulty swallowing. To avoid this, always dilute apple cider vinegar before consuming it. Apple cider vinegar can interact with certain medications, including diuretics and insulin, leading to adverse effects. If you are taking any medications, it is important to consult with your doctor before incorporating apple cider vinegar into your diet. Consuming large amounts of apple cider vinegar can lead to digestive issues such as nausea and diarrhea. To avoid this, it is important to limit your intake to 1 or 2 tablespoons per day and to always dilute apple cider vinegar before consuming it. Apple cider vinegar can lead to low potassium levels in the body, which can cause muscle weakness and cramping. To prevent this, it is important to consume a balanced diet that includes foods high in potassium, such as bananas and sweet potatoes. In conclusion, there are numerous ways to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your daily routine to reap its health benefits. Whether you use it in cooking, as a natural remedy, or as part of your beauty routine, apple cider vinegar is a versatile product that can help improve your overall health and well-being. While apple cider vinegar has numerous health benefits, it is important to be aware of its potential side effects. To avoid tooth enamel erosion, throat and esophagus irritation, interactions with medications, digestive issues, and low potassium levels, it is important to use apple cider vinegar in moderation and to always dilute it before consuming it. If you experience any adverse effects after using apple cider vinegar, it is important to stop using it and consult with your doctor. Thank you for watching and see you in another video. Hope this tips will benefit you.